KTN.
Now, 2 people, among them a 106-year-old woman, have died following a bee attack in a Buiranyi village in Vihiga County. The incident has left a family devastated, with residents now calling for urgent intervention over increasing wildlife-related threats in the area. Violet Auma reports.
A somber mood has engulfed Buiranyi village in Vihiga County following a fatal bee attack that turned a homestead into a scene of panic and tragedy. Family accounts indicate that a swarm of bees invaded the home of an elderly woman aged 106 years, but efforts of relatives and neighbors to rescue her proved futile.
Nyuki inashika mwili yote, inauma upande hii yote hata kwa mdomo.
A close relative reportedly rushed in to rescue her, but was overwhelmed by the violent swarm of bees. Both later died, one at the scene and the other after being taken to hospital in critical condition. Residents say the incident unfolded rapidly, with efforts to disperse the swarm proving unsuccessful.
Nikamwambia kaa hapa usirudi huko, nyuki itakuua. Rebeka aliniambia wacha nichukue hii barangeti ya mtoto nijifunike niende kuona ule mama. Nyuki haiwezi kumaliza mama alafu mimi nibaki. Watasema nilikuwa naenda wapi? Niliwacha mama nyuki imuue.
We are mourning 2 members of the family, which is very hurting. Like me, my mom was my friend. As in losing my mom in such a way, it's so sad to the family, but we just hope we'll find solace in the Lord.
Madaktari walijaribu kwa sababu ya umri wake ambao umesonga kidogo na hangeweza sana kuishi kwa sababu ya pumu ambao alilemewa.
Family members say they have faced similar threats before and are now raising concerns over recurring wildlife disturbance in the area, calling for urgent intervention from authorities.
Wakuje watusaidie hapa Buiranyi. Hii maneno ya nyuki na maneno ya bat samanyinya. Waje watusaidie, manake tunashindwa. Watafute njia vile watazispray, manake hizi nyuki zinatusumbua. Ziko mingi, zingine ziko karibu kwa shule, zingine wapi.
We as the member of the community will ask the agriculture people to come and see, because I've heard it's a menace here. Everyone is complaining about bees. So if they can come, then they check. Even if it's cutting the trees, we don't want something like this to happen again.
Bodies of the deceased have been taken to Masaba mortuary as burial arrangements commence. Violet Auma, KTN.
Now, Ishiara post-mortem results have indicated